Welcome back to Kushka Garage, everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I know I am, because I'm working on the old 98 Toyota Tacoma. I'm swapping out this old broken console lid for a brand new one that I picked up on Amazon for a pretty decent price. I'll leave a link in the description. As you can see, it looks a lot nicer. And whereas this one has a broken hinge, this one has a new one, as well as it came with these dealy schniggins on the side here. So one thing it didn't come with is screws, and that's what I'm missing. So I am going to use these self-tappers that I had laying around. This will be quick and easy. So let's get to it. So first thing we got to do is install these little dealy schniggins here. They just pop right in. That's going to go right here. So your orientation's going to be where the hook goes in, and then the little pop thing is pointing in. All right, first thing we want to do is install these guys here. These are going to want to go in so they hook. Okay, get out of the way. So they hook like this, with this pointing in and the hook right in there. So we'll just pop in like this. Super easy. So now that will fit in like so. Okay, those little side things just kind of want to fall out. So I'm going to go ahead and screw this in first, and then I'm going to put those in. I'm going to do this off camera because I can't do both right now. Okay. Self-tapped in, that just slides right in place, pops in, and it opens and closes. My hook, there we go. All right, not bad. It's great because this thing's been flopping around forever. Every time the dogs jump in back, it falls off. So now that'll just stay like that. Like I said, quick, easy, and fun, but if you don't know how to do it, it's nice to see someone do it first. And when you're buying products online, you never know what's going to work and what's not going to work. This feels like a pretty solid product. Matches well enough, looks good, comes in a variety of colors to match your interior. So choose wisely and go for it. I'll put a link in the description for you. See you later, guys.